Welcome back to STEM Academic Education. Good evening, dear students. Today I am going to solve some problems of section formula. Today I am going to solve question number 1 to onwards. Question number 1, write down. Find the coordinates of point which divides the join of line minus 1, 7 and 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. Number 1 given. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line a minus 1, 7, b is suppose 4 minus 3, a point which divides into 2:3. Suppose the required point is P, X, Y. The point P which divides the AB line segment into 2:3 ratio. Okay. Find the point of coordinates which divides the line segment which A is minus 1, 7 and B is 4 minus 3. P is a point which divides AB in the ratio of 2:3. 2:3. We have to find the point of division. Means P is the point of a division who divides internally AB line segment in the ratio of 2:3. Write down. Let PXY be the required point which divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio of 2:3. So P is the point of a division who divides AB line segment in the ratio of 2:3. We have to find what is the coordinate of a P by using section formula. X is equal. So here M1 is the 2 and M2 is the 3. Ratio 2:3, M1 2 and M2 is 3. So X is M1 into X2, 2 into 4 plus M2 into X1. M2 means 3 into X1 means minus 1. By M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2, 2 plus 3, which is 8 minus 3 by 5, 5 by 5, 1. The coordinate of X is 1. Then have to find the coordinate of Y. Y is similarly My2. M means M1 into Y2 means 2 into Y2 means minus 3 plus M1 M2 into Y1. M2 is 3 into Y1 is 7. 3 into 7 by M1 plus M2, 2 plus 3 minus 6 plus 21 by 5. 21 minus 6, which is 15 by 5 is 3. So the required point P has coordinates 1 and 3. So the P1, 3 is the point who divides AP internally in the ratio of 2:3. Text concept. Next question. Question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Look at this. AB is a line segment. The coordinate of A is given 4 minus 1 and coordinate B is given minus 2 minus 3. We have to find the point of trisection. Means suppose P and Q are the point of trisection. Point of trisection. P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are the 2 points which are point of trisection on the line AB. On the line segment AB. AB line segment PQ are the 2 points who trisect this line segment. So we have to find what is the coordinate of P and what is the coordinate of Q. Write down. Let P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2 are 2 points of a trisection on the line segment AB. AB is a line segment. P and Q are the 2 points of a trisection. Trisection means a line is divided into 3 equal parts. So P and Q divides every line in 3 equal parts, such as FP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. So FP which is equal to PQ which is equal to QB. Trisection means 3 equal parts. FP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Let us consider P is a point on line AB which divides AB 1:2. Suppose FP is X, PQ also X. Suppose AP is A unit, PQ also A unit, QB is also A unit. Why? AP, PQ, QB are same due to trisection of this line segment. So P divides AB. P is a point which divides AB 1:2. AP is A, PB is 2A. So ratio is 1:2. Right. P x1 y1 divides AB internally in the ratio of P divides AB internally in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2. Then by using section formula, we need to find the coordinate of P. The coordinate of P by using section formula. So write down x1 is m1 is 1, m2 is 2, m1 into this 1 into minus 2 plus m2 into this 2 into 4 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2. So 1 minus 2 is minus 2 plus 8 by 3. So 6 by 3 is 2. Then y1 is m1 into 1 into minus 3 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus 2 1 into minus 3 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So the coordinate of P is 2 minus 5 by 3. The coordinate of P is 2 minus 5 by 3. Take screenshot. Then we have to find the coordinate of Q. Take screenshot. Similarly, we can write Q divides AB 2:1 ratio. Write down Q X2 Y2 divides AB internally 2:1 ratio. P divides AB 1:2. Similarly, Q divides AB 2:1. So Q is two parts and QB is one part. So Q divides AB 2:1 internally in the ratio of 2:1. Q divides AB in 2:1 ratio. So by using section formula, we find the coordinate of Q. X2 is m1 into this 2 into minus 2 plus m1 into m2 into x1 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1, which is minus 4 plus 4 by 3 0 by 3, which is 0. The coordinate of x2 is 0. Then find the coordinate of the ordinate value of Q. Ordinate is y2. So y2 is m1 into y2 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Here the coordinate of Q is 0 minus 7 by 3. Take screenshot. Here we found the coordinate of P and the coordinate of Q. Then question number 3. In question number 3, to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground A, B, C, D. A, B, C, C, D. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. This line is 1 meter. This line is away from 1 meter. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Line AD, each flower is plotted 1 meter along AD. So, Niharika, there are 100 power course. So means the distance between A, D is 100 meter. Total distance of AD is 100 meter total distance. Why? Now there are 100 power course have been put, which is each separated by which is each tower cord away from 1 meter to each other. So total distance along the y-axis or AD is 100 meter. Niharika runs 1/4. Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD. The total distance AD is 100 meter. If Niharika runs 1/4 of 100, so what distance covered by Niharika? 25. 1/4 into 100, 25 kilometer covered by Niharika. Then, along with the green flag and second line. In second line, sorry, no one line. In second line, Niharika runs along AD. How much distance Niharika covered? 1/4 of the AD. 1/4 of AD means 1/4 into 100, which is 25 meter. Niharika covers 25 meter. Here we put the green flag. Then, from second line, then breathe runs along the AD. 1/5 of AD. 1/5 of AD means 1/5 into 100, which is 20 meter. Breathe covers 20 meter along with red flag from 8th line. From 8th line, breathe runs along the AD and covers 1/5 of AD. 1/5 of AD means 1/5 into 100, which is 20 meter. He also put red flag. We have to find what is the distance between both the flags. Green flag by Niharika and red flag by Preet. What is the distance between two flags? Green and red. By using distance formula, so by using distance formula, the distance between green and red flag can be calculated by using distance formula. Then another question, if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly in between, exactly halfway between two flags means exactly the midpoint between green and red flag, and where she put the flag. That means we have to find for Rashmi cases what is the coordinate of Rashmi which she has to post the blue flag. Then we have to mention the coordinates of green flag and red flag. Write down. Niharika runs in 1/4 of AD along with green flag from second line. So from second line. Okay. Then what distance covered by Niharika? distance covered by Niharika 1 by 4 into 100. Why? D is 100 meter. 1/4 1 by 4 into 100 25 meter. 25 meter is Niharika covered distance. The distance covered by Niharika is 25 meter. Then coordinates of green flag in x axis the value is 2 and y axis the value is 25. G 2 25. Consider the point where green flag is posted G. The coordinate is 2 25. Then Preet runs in 1/5 of a D along with red flags from 8th line. From 8th line, Preet runs along AD. How much distance covered by Preet? Preet covered 1/5 of AD means 1 by 5 into 100 which is 20 meter in second line. So distance covered by Preet is 1 by 5 into 100 20 meter. So Preet covered the distance is 20 meter. Then coordinate of red flag will be on the x axis 8 and y axis is 20. 8 20. This one was 225. This point is G, this point is suppose R. Suppose we consider this point is R, which is 8 20. Then what is the distance between two flags, green and red? By using distance formula, GR is the distance between two flags. GR is x1 minus x2 whole square, 8 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 20 minus 25 whole square, 6 square plus minus 5 square whole square root, 36 plus 25 whole square root, which is 61 whole square. Square root of 61 meter. The distance between two flags. Text insert. Then we have to find what is the coordinate of blue flag which has to posted by Rashmi. Then if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between green and red flags. So where should she post her flag? Means we have to the point at which Rashmi should post her blue flag, which is the exact midpoint between two flags. Suppose XY is the midpoint where Rashmi should post blue flag. Write down the point at which Rashmi should post her blue flag. Her blue flag is the midpoint is the midpoint between green and red flag, G and R. G and R. We have to find the coordinate of a B, X and Y. So what is the midpoint formula? Midpoint formula: X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and Y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. X is equal x1 plus x2 by 2 means 2 plus 8 by 2, 10 by 2, which is 5. Y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2, 25 plus 20 by 2, which is 45 by 2, which is 22.5. So the required midpoint, the coordinates of a midpoint is 5, 22.5. 5, 22.5. The point is B, 5, 22.5, at which Rashmi should post her blue flag. Text answer. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10, 6, -8, which is divided by -1, 6. Suppose P point which divides, okay, find the ratio in which the line segment join. Okay. We have to find what is the ratio, in which ratio the point P divides the line segment. The point of division is given -1, 6, but we have to find in this question in which ratio these points divide a B line segment internally. P is the point of division which divides a B internally, but we have to find in which ratio P divides a B. Suppose we consider the ratio be K:1. K:1. Let the ratio in which P divides a B be K:1. Write down. Let the ratio in which P -1, 6 divides a B line segment B K:1. Suppose this ratio, consider K:1. In the ratio K:1, P divides a B line segment. So this one is X and Y. Bisection formula, -1 is equal to M1 is K, M2 is 1. So X is equal to M1 into X2 plus M2 into X1 by M1 plus M2. So -1 is the X. X equal to M1 into X2. M1 into X2 means K into 6 plus M2 into X1, 1 into -3 by M1 plus M2 means K plus 1. So -1 equal to 6K minus 3 by K plus 1. K plus 1 is multiplied by -1, which will be -K minus 1 is 6K minus 3. Then -K, 6K is transported to left hand side, which will be minus 60, minus 3. This minus 1 is transposed to RHS side, which will be plus 1. Minus 7k is equal to minus 2. Minus 7k equal to minus 2, k equal to 2 by 7. The ratio is k is to 1. So 2 by 7 by 1, so 2 is to 7. The required ratio is 2 is to 7. P divides AB internally in the ratio of 2 is to 7. Take screenshot. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A equal 1 minus 5, B point is minus 4, 5. In which ratio the line segment which is divided by x-axis. Suppose P is a point on x-axis. If it is divided by x-axis, then y must be 0. Y must be 0 on the x-axis. At any point on x-axis, y must be 0. So, the required point P, which divides AB internally, in which ratio? Suppose the ratio is k is to 1. We have to find the coordinates of the point of a division. The coordinates of points of a division means what is the value of x. Write up. Let the ratio in which Px0 divides a B line segment internally B k is to 1. Suppose P is a point of division which divides a B in the ratio of k is to 1. Consider the ratio is k is to 1. So, y must be 0 on the x-axis, which is divided on the x-axis, divided by the P point, which is on the x-axis. If it is divided on the x-axis, so y must be 0. Y coordinate, the value of y, coordinate of y must be 0 if it is divided on the x-axis. Then find x equal to here m1 equal to k, m2 equal to 1, m1 k into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 by k plus 1. Write down minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 equal to x. Taking common. So, okay. Then 0 is equal m1 into y2 k into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 by k plus 1. So 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1 equal to x. So, then we have to find what is the coordinate of x, the value of x. Then minus 5k minus 5k plus 1 equal to 0. 5k minus 5, k plus 1 into 0 equal to 0. 5k equal to plus 5, k equal to 1. The value of k is 1. So putting the value of k in this equation, x equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. Then minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So the coordinate of x is minus 3 by 2. Text insert.